Good morning, students. Class 4, this is your chapter number 12, tongue and teeth. I am just going to start the introductory part of the tongue and teeth. So, anyhow, tongue is just a portion of this chapter, but teeth we will discuss this later in a very brief, and also the different kinds of teeth, and then the teeth of animals, then the teeth of birds. So all of this we will discuss later. So come to the first portion of the chapter, that is your tongue. You can see there is a picture of tongue. You have to make it in your previous copy and show the parts of the birds, taste buds in your copy. So what is the role of the tongue in our body? So you can also know that whenever we just means the tongue, that is the organ that helps to identify the taste of the food that we normally eat. Okay. So how we can taste the thing with the tongue? You can know that whatever we are just tasting, we can just do it with our tongue. So in this tongue, we can see there is so many parts. Okay, this is your first part, this is your second part, this is your third part, this is your fourth part, and this is the side. Okay, so whenever we are just viewing this image, we can see that these are just identified the taste buds. So taste buds has the role to identify the particular taste of the food. So whenever we are just tasting something, the nerves of the tongue that send the message to the brain. If you have tasted it earlier, then the mind can identify it very easily. So whenever we are just tasting something, whether it is tasty or very bitter or very sour or very sweet or tasty, so this is the thing that is the message sent by the brain to the nerves of the teeth and nerve of the tongue, so that we can take that food very happily. If we can just tasting it bitter or sour, if we don't like the taste, the brain send the message that don't eat it. Okay, so this is the role of the tongue. Just it tastes the thing and send the message to the brain, and whenever interpreted by the brain also send the message whether this food to be eaten or not. So here the first portion of the tongue is your sweet thing. For the sweet thing, whenever I just tasting the thing, the first point is your sweet thing for tasting the thing. Then this is the two, both side, here and here, both side are for the salty birds. Then here is the third part, that you can see the dotted portion of the tongue here. So this is for the sour. खट्टा है या नहीं है, salty है नहीं है, मीठा है नहीं है, ये तीनों हो गए. Then this is the last part of bitter. Bitter can be tasted in the last portion of the tongue. So we can easily taste the thing through the tasting buds. So second thing, it also helps us to the tongue helps the food to push the chewed food into the food pipe. It also helps to rotate the food around the mouth so that we can chew it better. Okay. Then also it also pushes the food into our food pipe. Next is helps us to speak clearly. If we just touch or hold the tongue and we are just trying to say anything or speak anything, so we cannot do that. Okay, why? Because tongue has the vital role of speaking the thing. Those don't have tongue, they can't speak clearly any word. Okay, so this also helps to speak clearly. So this is all about your tongue. Then come to the teeth. I am just saying what is the role of the teeth here. But I am not going to the detail of the teeth. Tomorrow we will discuss about the detail of the teeth. So first point, the teeth, you can know that there is so many kinds of teeth. We have some teeth are very sharp and some teeth are very wide and some are pointed. So we can also feel it through our tongue or our finger. That is, the teeth have the separate different kinds of shapes. So what is the role of the teeth in our mouth? First point, chew the food to the paste to make a paste, and it also can help to swallow it easily. So first thing, whenever I just eating the thing or eating the food, so which kind of food that is, we can eat it. So first decided by the teeth, which kind of teeth is applicable for that particular food. So then what is the role of the teeth? Then teeth chew the food and make a complete paste so that we can swallow it easily. First thing. Second thing, while we are just chewing the thing, it has the capacity of our stomach that it can digest easily. So this is the role of the first thing of the teeth. Second thing, it also gives the shape to our face. So whenever the old person with no teeth, they have a sunken cheeks. उनका गाल धसा हुआ होता है. They don't have any shape. Third thing, it helps us to speak clearly, so that you can know better that the tongue and teeth, we can, so many words are there, so many letters are there, we cannot speak without teeth and tongue. So tongue and teeth both are very equally important for the mouth and for also speaking purposes. So this much for today. The next session we will discuss more about teeth. Thank you. Have a nice day.